Hi, David Minns from G4 Guitar and Lake Forest here with another video lesson. And in today's lesson, we're going to be taking a look at the F minor scale, the F natural minor scale, played with 3 notes per string, playing out of the first position with the first fret on the low E string here being our F root note. Okay, so let me play the scale for you, and then we're going to break it down into pieces so we can actually get to grips with it. Okay, here we go. There we have it. Now, in the same way, if you remember when we looked at the F major scale with 3 notes per string, we have some symmetrical pairings here where the patterns on certain strings are the same on the next string that we go to. Okay, in this case, the last 2 strings are not quite the same, but the first 4 are the same sort of symmetrical pattern when we had with the F major scale. So let me show you what I mean by that. So the first 3 notes we have is on the low E string, okay, starting with our first finger. And we're going to play the 1st fret, the 3rd fret, and the 4th fret. Okay, this 4th fret, okay, being the minor 3rd. Okay, so it's 1, 3, 4. And again, same fingers, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 4th finger. We then carry that forward to the next string, same pattern, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 4th finger. There we have it, okay? So the first 2 strings are the same pattern. We then cross over to the 4th string where we start from the 1st finger on the 1st fret, and we're going to play our 1st finger here, 2nd finger on the 3rd fret, little finger, 4th finger on the 5th fret. That's that pattern for the 4th string. We then carry that same pattern over to the 3rd string. So you can see we have 1 pattern used on 2 strings. So far we have okay, now we change to the 2nd string where we start with our 1st finger on the 2nd fret, and we're going to play the 1st finger 2nd fret, 2nd finger on the 4th fret, little finger 4th finger on the 6th fret. Okay. We then carry over to the 1st string where we play our 1st finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd finger on the 4th fret, little finger on the 6th fret. Okay, so these 2 strings are slightly different. Okay, so let's review that again. Starting on the 2nd string, we start on the 2nd fret with the 1st finger, 4th fret with the 2nd finger, 6th fret with the 4th finger or the little finger. So that's our notes on the 2nd string. We then move to the 1st string where we have our 1st finger 3rd fret, 2nd finger 4th fret, little finger or 4th finger on the 6th fret. Okay, so let's look at the string pairings again, starting down here. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4 for the fingers. 1, 2, 4 for the fingers. Next string. 1, 2, 4, but we start from the 2nd fret here. Crossing over to the 3rd fret on the top string. 1, 2, 4. There we have it. Now, so the first thing to do with all these notes is to just learn the scale, the pattern across the 6 strings, okay, playing getting to the final note, which is up here on the 6th fret of the 1st string. So we're looking to be able to do this. Here's our scale. That's what we're working for, and it may take a little time to get there. Remember, when stretching the fingers, be very gentle with the fingers, okay? This is why we don't want to rush this scale. It's a good reason to be able to play every scale slowly, let the fingers get used to doing the walking across the strings, okay? Now, once we've done that, the next step we need to go is to find the F notes okay, the root notes in this scale. So here's the good news, is that with the F major scale we've already looked at, with the 3 notes per string, we found the F notes, okay, the root notes in that scale. So the F notes are exactly the same for this. We're just playing F minor, but the F notes are still the same root notes. Okay, so just to review, we've got an F root note here on the 1st fret, 6th string. We have an F note here on the 3rd fret, 4th string. And we have an F note here on the 6th fret, 2nd string. So what we want to be able to do, the same with the major scale, is to be able to play to and from these root notes. Okay, so the first octave for the scale would finish there. Okay, that's our first octave. Okay, the second octave will continue there. Now again with the F major scale in exactly the same way, we play past this root note and we finish up here on the 6th fret of the top string. So we want to be able to come back and resolve ourselves to that F note again, so we can hear this F minor scale with the tonality of F. Okay, we finish on this note here, which is B flat. Although we are playing an F minor scale, you won't be hearing it tonally from the reference point of F. Okay, so as we play through this, okay, here we go past it, coming back to the F note there.